In today's video, we're going to be removing the bumper and headlights on this 03 Volkswagen Jetta.
Perfect.
Hey guys, welcome to the AP YouTube channel. So today we're going to be removing the front bumper and headlights on this 03 Volkswagen Jetta. Procedure will be very similar for all Volkswagen Golfs, Jettas from 1999 and a half up to 2005. So take a look at the tools that you'll need to perform this job. So first thing you're going to do once you've put the car on either some stands or on a lift, you can start by removing the front grills and the bumpers. You have one on each side. It's just a clip at top, and on bottom you just squeeze it and it'll come out. Next, we're going to remove the front grille. So you have some clips on top here. You will unclip it and then lift it. Afterwards, to remove the hood catch, you will need to undo it from the clip here. This is not OEM, so normally you just need to spread those apart and it'll come off. Then you can take off the catch and take off the grille. Next, you will need to remove the bolts holding the bumpers to the inner fenders. So you have torque bolts all along the fender on both the left and right side. Just turn your wheels each side to have access to these bolts. You can now remove the screws holding the bumper to the front cross member. They're located behind the grills on the bumper that you removed earlier. You have one on each side. You can now remove the 7 screws holding the bumper to the front of the car. Be careful when you take the last one out because nothing will be holding the bumper anymore. You can now carefully remove the bumper. You just need to pull on each corner of the bumper to unclip it from the fender, and then you'll be able to pull it out. Just be careful for the wiring on the side markers since they will still be connected, so you can just disconnect them while you have the bumper, and then you can just lay it beside the car. Next, removing the headlights. So you'll have 2 screws underneath here and here that are Torx, and you'll have 2 here and here to remove the headlight. So here it is, bumper and headlights removed. So I hope you guys like this video.